Recover your Dell XPS 13 OS fast. Is your Dell XPS 13 9315 freezing, running slow, or won't boot? Don't panic, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you 2 super easy ways to restore your OS. So whether you're trying to speed up your laptop or do a complete reset, stick around, you'll want to see this. Reinstall Windows using Dell OS Recovery Image. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. A 16GB USB flash drive, your service tag found on the bottom of your laptop, internet connection, wired connection recommended. On a different computer, head over to Dell's support website and download the Dell OS Recovery tool. Run it once it's downloaded. Insert your USB and open the tool. The tool will ask for your service tag. Just type it in, and it'll identify your laptop automatically. Choose the recovery image, select your USB drive, and click Next. Now, just wait while it downloads the recovery image. This might take a while, so just relax and let it do its thing. Using the Dell OS Recovery Media to reinstall Windows. Once your recovery USB is ready, plug it into your Dell XPS 13 and restart the computer. As soon as the Dell logo appears, press F12 repeatedly to bring up the one-time boot menu. From here, select your USB recovery drive under UEFI boot and hit Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This process may take some time, and your machine will restart a few times. Let it do its thing. Restoring using SupportAssist OS Recovery. Turn on your Dell XPS 13. As soon as you hit the power button, press F12 to access the one-time boot menu. Once you're in the boot menu, you'll see a list of options. Select SupportAssist OS Recovery. Now that you're in the recovery menu, connect to a Wi-Fi network. This is needed to download the recovery files. Click Start Recovery. The system will begin downloading the necessary files. Once that's done, your laptop will reboot and you'll be taken to the main SupportAssist OS Recovery menu. From here, click Reset and hit Continue. On the next screen, click Next. You'll be asked if you want to back up your data or proceed without it. If you don't need your files, go ahead and select Proceed without backup. If you want to back up your files, select that option and it will guide you through the backup process. Once you've made your choice, click Next. The reset process will begin. This could take 45 minutes or more, so be patient while it restores your system. And there you have it. Whether you use SupportAssist OS Recovery or the Dell OS Recovery Image, your Dell XPS 13 is now back to life with a fresh Windows install. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.